Hey guys, I don't really like intros, so I'm just gonna get right into like what I crocheted this month. This was a little scrap top I made, and I'm obsessed with the back. And I just literally threw this together to wear to a Tame Impala concert because I was like, oh, I want something kind of like groovy and colorful to wear. And this is it on. I did a triangle granny square and just built on the triangle. And the back, I literally freehanded the whole thing. Um, but yeah, it's not perfect, but for Tame, super comfy, the right vibes. I was dancing, so. So this sweater, it's all granny stitch. And I love the colors. I'm currently working on the other sleeve right now. And I'll throw up an inspo pic, but it's coming together. So here is the finished piece. I actually reworked it, took off the sleeves like twice, added some length and width. So this was quite a journey, but I'm actually obsessed with how it came out. Let me try it on as well. Okay, let's just ignore how I look because I was in the ER this week. But here she is. So I'm currently in the process of making another hexagon cardigan that someone bought from my Etsy. I make these quite a bit, and I have my own pattern, but I believe hexagon cardigans are really easy to make, so you can definitely look up some tutorials, or look at my pattern. It's like $5 on Etsy. And so I still have 4 rows to go on each side. So I actually ship these immediately because I hate having people wait when they order from my Etsy, but I made 2 of these in the same colorways. This is what it looks like on. And I love the colors. I call this my Hosier colorway because it reminds me of Hosier. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. So this is gonna be for balaclava. This person requested like a funky one. Usually I do only 3 colors for balaclavas, but these ones are really fun to make too. And so now I'm just gonna slip stitch them together. So this is the finished balaclava. I actually went back and added a black border to each granny square. And this is not my favorite way of making balaclavas. I much prefer the join as you go method. But for the funky ones, it was kind of the only way. And I won't try this one on because it's for someone else, but I will insert a picture of what they look like on. And with every purchase, I drop one of my cards in to show how to take care of them. Most of my yarn is secondhand, so I don't really always know the material or like the content, so it's just better to, at least this way, I know that, you know, we don't want anyone putting these in the dryer or anything. And yeah, this is the last item I'm gonna put in this video, so keep an eye out. I'm gonna keep crocheting, obviously, and I'll drop any like links in my below.